Here in the test kitchen, we're big fans of guacamole. It's the perfect dip for chips and makes our salads and nachos extra special. Spread it on toast, which happens to be pretty trendy right now, and it's a great way to jumpstart your day. And so you never have to worry about running out of it. We have a quick throw-together version that's done in minutes. We start by cutting a couple of ripe Hass avocados, like this. We remove the pit and cut each one in half again. At this point, it's super simple to cut away the peel. Now, mash them with a fork until they're as smooth as you like. We add some finely chopped tomato and onion, a bit of garlic powder, and a little salt. And to give it zing, we add a squeeze of lime, which also prevents it from turning black. After mixing everything together, it's ready to go. And if you like your guacamole a little spicier, go ahead and add some chopped jalapeno peppers to it. There you have it, a from-scratch guacamole that takes less than 5 minutes to throw together from start to finish. Although you can serve this all sorts of ways, my favorite way is to dip a chip and enjoy. To get the recipe for what we call our Fast Guacamole, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fast, fresh, and flavorful way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.